gonna bite you.
Oh man, I missed him.
Tell him it's gonna bite his back off him.
What the shit on me?
What did you say?
He thinks one just shut up.
Did it really?
Did you really get burp about you, Dan? Wave and say hi!
Yeah, come on, you're on camera. It's going on MySpace.
Say hi, no, to people.
Oh, come on. Oh, don't they look cute? They look like they're What happened? I missed it.
It flew down towards him and then he moved. It flew away. We should watch for cars.
They look like they're getting ready to hold hands. And then at one point they were like looking at each other. It was so cute.
It was such a sexual moment.
Mhm.
Are people looking at them still? I can't see.
Yeah, I don't know, but most of it have been reached, so something better happened in like the next 30 seconds or we're up Schitt's Creek for it. And then he just waved. Alright, you guys might want to get up now.
No, I'm later. Stay still. No.
I don't think they're gonna land.
They will eventually if you just shut up. Jordan gives up.
I got a burp.
Who eats it?
Oh.
You wanna join us? It's fun. This is Mark Brady on that fucking top dragster.
I smell that water. Stop, please.
Ew.
Oh!